Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing another Eid makeup look. I did this makeup inspired by Zendaya. I really wanted to try it out for myself. It was like a blue and purple reflective look, kind of like watercolor, but then sparkles that will shine under the lights. So I really wanted to try it. I'm not gonna keep chatting, I'm gonna get straight into it and I hope you guys like the look. Okay, let's get started. I found that when I was practicing this eye look, there was quite a bit of fallout. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the eyes first so that there's not a bunch of fallout happening. Straight in with some primer on my eyelid, up and down. Now, I've done a YouTube tutorial with this Fenty palette before, so I thought I would do it again in case I had influenced you to purchase it. I picked this one specifically because I've already used it and raved about it in a video. I still recommend this one. Look. Sorry, I am a little bit like airhead right now. I have like a month to go in my pregnancy and I am finding that it's definitely affecting me. What was I trying to say? Like, it's really nice quality and very blendy, and I like the pastels in it. So I've gone in through the crease and like that, easy. Then I'm gonna take the purple, go in the middle, and then I took a bit of purple as well and put it right in the middle under the eye. I'm so stupid. I just realized you probably can't see anything I'm talking about. This is just an example. I shouldn't be allowed to work by myself. So I swept that purple through the blue through the crease and the purple on the eye. Then I'm gonna take a little darker blue. This one's Christian Dior Fusion Mono. You could get any like dark blue eyeshadow. I was quite shocked that I didn't have that many in my collection. I don't normally wear blues because I don't like them on me, but this turned out, I love blue on brown eyes, but on my eyes, because they're green, sometimes I think it just like looks like a bit too much, but I really wanted to try this look. Anyway, this is this little blue eyeshadow and I'm gonna tack it on in there in the little corners. Blendy blend. So the base is on, and from what I can see in the picture of Zendaya, it's like a very light, hazy, watercolor looking base, and then she's got the glitter over the top. So I've got these two glitters, and I feel like I always go for these Stila glitters, but I do love them. I'm gonna use Lilac Legend and Psychic. So Lilac Legend is the purple one. Right over the purple to enhance the purple, and then underneath. And then the blue one. Then I've got this purple eyeliner from Tilbury, the Rock and Kohl in Elizabeth Violet. That's both my sister and my middle names. Elizabeth is my sister's middle name and Violet's my middle name. Okay, then a little wing liner. This is the Stila Intense Black. I like this one because it's got a really tiny, skinny little, like, look how tiny that is. So small. Okay. Now I'm going to make a little wing. Mascara. And then Ardell Whispues. Okay, cool. So the eyes are on and I kept it. I feel like that's a pretty simple look, no? Anyway, I'm gonna do the rest of my face with the Chantecaille Luminosity Intense Elixir. Oh, got it. Can't take me anywhere. Sponge, setting spray. Moist. Okay, now this Makeup Forever Matte Skin Velvet. I'm using the color 325. Why 325? Oh no, that probably means yellow 325. It doesn't sound right for me, but I really want to test this foundation, so it doesn't look too bad. Usually because I'm neutral, I can swing either way if I really want. Anyway, I thought I would do a full coverage for once in my life, because I don't do that often, but Eid is a fancy event, so let's go full coverage. Uh-oh, have I started myself on another Marc Jacobs plotline here? Nope, okay, good. Never used this foundation before, so I wasn't sure how much to use. That came out pretty good, yay. I like that foundation. So this is a matte finish, full coverage foundation, 24 hours, so it should last you through the whole event. And I really like Makeup Forever foundation, so that's good. Okay, with eyebrows, I'm going to take a clear brow gel and a little brow pencil in my brow color. And I'm just gonna push the hairs up. Okay, now I'm just gonna fill in any little gapped areas. But still keeping it nice and light, but I do want them to look full. Love it. Okay, now the brows are on. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder. This is the Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder from Jouer. Just using that up under my brow. A bit of concealer, and I'm using one that matches my skin rather than one that's brighter. It's just how I do. Now the Jaclyn Hill Bronzed and Blushing Duo in Stay Rosy and Yummy Toffee. I'm going to carefully apply the bronzer, then a bit of the blush, going up the cheek. And then she has a really nice nude lippy on. I'm gonna go with Makeout Break from Fenty. Just a light color of that to give a bit more of a nude feel to my lips. And then I feel like this looks like the kind of gloss she might even be wearing. Fenty Gloss Bomb. Ooh, that's the finished look, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. I did just realize that last year I did an eye look with a little bit of blue in it as well. This one's a lot more blue and purple, and I do, however, think that it kind of came out similar, so I'm really sorry about that. And I know Eid is in 2 days, but I'm pretty sure there's another Eid like later in the year, right? So maybe I'll be able to do something else then. Drop your suggestions below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid. Bye.